back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do image classification using MediaPipe in native iOS application. So first I'll show you the output. So here I have one button called click me, and once you click this button, it opens the gallery or the photos app from where you can select any of the photo. And if I try to pick a photo, I'll just clear this. I'll show you the logs. So if I pick up one of the photos, here you can see that it tries to classify the image. It's not perfect, but it does what it could. Like I'm trying to display the category name as well as the display name. So here you can see the category name is website, but the display name is nil. So similarly, if I want, I can try this photo as well. So here you can see it tells it is a fountain. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first what you will have to do is you will have to go to this documentation and you will have to download these TensorFlow model. So I have downloaded this model, but if you want, you can download these two models as well. Like you read those pros and cons of each and every model, but I have tried to keep it simple. That's why it is not really great at classification, but yeah, choose whatever makes sense to you. Once you download the model, you will have to go to your native iOS project and just drag and drop that model. So here you can see I have dragged and dropped that model, this efficient_light0.tf light. Then inside my view controller, so first what you will have to do is you will have to run pod init. So it will create a pod file for you, and then inside that pod file I have used this pod MediaPipe task vision. At least at this time of recording I couldn't find a Swift package manager, that's why I had to use pod. Just so once you add this pod dependency, just run pod install and it will install all the dependency. Then open the XE workspace project inside Xcode. Once you do that, first go to info.playlist and make sure you add this privacy photo library usage description. Next, inside view controller, as you can see I have imported photos as well as photos UI and MediaPipe's division as well. Then I am extending PH picker view controller delegate. Here I have just created one button. Then I have also, with the help of MediaPipe task vision, I am creating image classification options. I have kept it as empty, so all the default options. Then I have created an image classifier as well, and here we are loading our efficient net light 0 TF light model. And if the path is fine, then I am setting the path to our options.base options.model asset path. And currently I am doing it for image, so that's why at max results I have set it to 5. You can set it whatever you want, and using those options we are creating our image classifier. And then some NS layout constraints for our button as well as a click action for it. And once the button is clicked, we are first checking the authorization permission of our photo library. If it is authorized, then we are calling pick photo method. If not, then we are requesting the permission. If it is denied, we are just printing it to the console. And once the permission has been granted, then we call this PH picker configuration. The selection limit I have set it to 1, filter by images, and we are creating this PH picker view controller and setting in the configuration. And I have set the delegate as well to self, and we are presenting our PH picker view controller. Once user selects an image, so this callback gets called. So first we are dismissing that picker, and from that we are getting the first selected item because we need only the one image. And from that we call selected item provided can load UI image of self, and then selected item provided load object UI image of self. And then from that particular object, from this object we are creating an UI image. Once we get a UI image, we have to convert it to MP image. So I have just passed our UI image and this converts to an MP image. And once we get that, we just try to call image classifier.classify and we pass our MP image. And once we get particular result, we just call result.classifications. And once you are if this result is not empty, then we get the first item of our classifications. Then we do .categories is not empty. So here you can see is not empty. and if that is not empty as well, then we just display the category name. So we take first item of our categories and display the category name as well as the display name. So yeah, and we in catch I'm just printing a console. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.